Welcome back to Lava Tools. Hey, if you're looking for something to clear out the air in your house, I recently got the Honeywell Air Purifier HPA304. That's for medium to large rooms. I wanted something that I knew the name brand, and it would be something that would have fairly affordable filters to replace. This particular one has a pre-filter and then 3 individual filters. Pre-filter covers the entire face of the unit. This unit has a number of features. It has a timer to where you can set the time for it to run up to 8 hours. It has a dimmer switch so you can blank out the lights, and it has 4 speeds, 3 normal and 1 turbo speed. The thing I noticed was that the power pad area doesn't always connect to your finger. So if you're trying to turn it on or turn it off or move it up speeds, you've got to hit it a number of times. It's not real positive on the feel, like it does not move down. The turbo button's quick, the dimmer button's quick, the timer's quick, but for some reason the power section tends to hang up, and you cannot get a positive feel that it's recognized that you've moved it. Other than that, it's not very loud. It seems to be quiet. It has a good bass to where a small kid or an animal is not going to knock it over every time they run into it. Thanks again for visiting Lava Tools, and smash that thumbs up button. Have a good one.